So hello everyone. In this video, we would be talking about some aspects as in why you should be inculcating meditation in your daily habits. It takes a lot of courage to ensure you do mindful meditation in the longer term in your life so as to gain peace, prosperity and wisdom and all packed into one. Meditation, although it sounds very simple and easy, yet most of the people fail to do it in the longer term. Because it needs consistency and a sort of persistence to continue with it and to bring in a sense of calm and peaceful nature in your own mind. In this video, we would be covering 7 very useful and easy aspects which will help you track and get into the habit of meditation very easily in your life and also take up the positive effects of it all into yourself. The first one being start small. Meditation needs a lot of courage, patience to understand it and extract the beauty of whole of it. It might not be possible that in the first day you are getting into doing 30 minutes or 40 minutes of it. Of course, you would be doing it for 2 to 3 minutes and would eventually increase it in the longer term, but getting the positive effects of it is the only task and it is the only thing which will keep you going in the longer run. In the starting, it would some people might not even be able to sit for more than 3 minutes, but that's usual and that's pretty normal. So start with taking some smaller steps towards the goal you wish to achieve in it. The second one being find the right time. For finding the right time when you can focus more on your inner healing and think of the positive energies within you, that is the most perfect time which will help you realize the importance and beauty of meditation. It might be in the early morning hours or getting retired into the bed, but what you need to understand in the longer run is you have to try it out in different time zones so as to understand that this is a particular time which works very well for keeping you up with the practice of meditation in the longer term. It might even take you some time to understand how your mental soul heals and how you yourself carry ahead with it, but it will eventually take place if you do continue doing it daily. The third and most important point is get a comfortable space to meditate. It is preferably very much easy and amazing if you take up a soft mat for sitting and in a composed manner for meditating. This also helps you focus on a particular room or the place where you are sitting is quite calm, cool and away from any kind of noise or distractions. That can be a plus point as well. Sitting in a slouchy or any other position is definitely going to harm your body balance as well as the way you think throughout the process. Meditation is the deep healing of the inner soul wherein you tend to connect with God, wherein you get to connect with all the lively and positive energies existing in nature in a particular time frame. However, you can even extend it to throughout the day by doing it continuously and feeling the effects of it effortlessly. Fourth point is try a meditation app or a podcast. There are many apps available which will definitely help you master the art of meditation. You can put up a particular timer or a good music to help you focus on a particular thing. These apps help you easily by helping you get the right kind of music or creating the right kind of environment for you to meditate. Also, you can put up the timer for 30 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes or whatever is your time limit, and you can extend it on a daily basis. This will also help you improve your focus span on a particular thing, and your productivity also will definitely increase in the longer run. The fifth point is know when it's not working. There might be times when even after meditating for longer durations, even after feeling the positive effects of it, you will feel a sense of emptiness or a point of low in your life. This happens and it comes ahead in everyone's lives, be it me or you or anyone. So that too is quite normal. Meditation doesn't ensure that you will always be happy and in a positive state of mind. What it ensures is that you get a control over the tasks you do, over the kind of thinking you have, over the kind of things you usually do. So You have to understand when things aren't working out and just stay positive. The sixth point is get started. Of course, many people might not have the right kind of guidance or the right kind of way of doing meditation, but what's the most important aspect here is you try at least. Try doing meditation on a daily basis and try to do it at the same place at the same time. Getting started is the only thing which will help you keep going in the longer run. The seventh and most important point is the bottom line. Understand where you feel low, when you feel high, when you feel happy, and when you feel sad. Meditation is something which will help you understand and study your inner self, your inner soul, what all it wants, help you get rid of the materialistic distractions and objects existing in this world and indulge in the purest form of meditation and connecting your soul to your mind. At the end, I would just like to say it takes some time and efforts to put up and develop a good healthy habit. If meditation doesn't click well for you, it might not be at this time at least. So you try it some other time, but what matters the most is stay true to your own self. Make meditation a way of living. You can even do it in the busy hours of your day whenever you feel your word more over the things around you. Whenever you wish to spend some quality time with your own self, you can try meditating and access the beauty, the positivity, and the highest form of energies it has to provide to you. Hope this video will help you.